All right, we have, I think this is 1,005.
I don't know. I'm kind of having fun.
Yeah, 1,500. 1,000, that's a 5. 1,600. $1,600. We have 100 in red here.
I've been here before.
So we're going to go ahead and start off with 25s on the blind, Annie, and 15 on the trips.
Oh, no,
Our dealer is Sabina here on the beautiful MSC Meraviglia. We do videos every day, so make sure you're following or subscribe to the page.
28 years I worked in the steel.
And yeah, in the comments, let me know, I don't know, let me know if you've ever been on a cruise before. Let me know the cruise ship and what year it was and what you love about cruising and what you didn't like about the cruise, and that would be cool. Just curious to know your thoughts. We're going to check that, and we're going to check that. So 5, a red 5, of course. So 50 behind on both.
Oh boy!
One more 5 left.
I was walking back from
10 deuce, nothing.
and
Great.
I found a gentleman, and I said, "Hey, look, I like your shirt. I like your trade."
Good start. Good start.
And I like. He says, "No, just take my shirt." So
Great start.
He gave it to me.
Right.
I gave him $30, and I said,
Start there. All right, we're off to a good start.
You want $50? I'll take it off.
Still want to hit the big one, like quads.
Give me
Quads I've hit a few times.
I'll let you
Never
go.
did a straight flush. Never had a royal flush. I've seen it.
Yeah, here.
My dad hit a straight flush. I've never hit one.
Come on, young man.
Jack 7 is a check.
I'm an old man. I'm an old guy.
8-2 is a check.
Okay, let's. You guys still.
50 behind here on the 8. Jack 7 is
I'm
a check.
not sure how to do this.
Oh yeah, just leave. Yeah, you can leave it up like that. Yeah, for the
I know,
camera.
but I still don't know.
Oh, trips. Okay.
Yeah.
The Jack 8. I'm gonna play. Let's see what you got. King 5. Okay. Lose. Yeah, that's a wipeout.
Not really. I'm guessing, dude.
Great, thank you.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
Yeah, you do got 2 pair. You lucky son of a gun, you.
What's that?
Shit.
Okay.
Look, you steal my money. I know where you live.
I'm gonna play this.
You got a smile
Just.
and laugh.
Oh no. Well, I'm checking that one, but I played that because it's suited. This is disaster. Go ahead. It's disaster. I already know. I'm just gonna fold that one.
Why you got a mask?
This is disaster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, pair of kings.
Yeah.
We have Jack.
Yeah, that's what I get. Go ahead. Yeah, that's what I get for 4Xing with Jack 7. Yeah. All right. Well, every now and then you take a little chance, and it's fun, right? Fun, fun, fun. That's why we do it. Okay. 5-4, check. And a 8-5, check. All right. We're starting to get the same cards. 50 for the 4, pair of the 4. Oh, we got an 8 too.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now we need a 5. Hey, we got the 5.
5.
Okay.
Okay, great.
2, 4, 5, 8, 10.
Yes, Johnny. No.
25.
Plural.
All right.
Plural. Johnny man. There you go. Polish boy. From Daytona Beach.
Can we do another 100 in the reds? Thanks.
2 there. 2 there.
Thank you.
There's 4 here, right?
Thank you, thank you.
Well, give me some cards. Oh.
Casino's very active today.
I don't have trips.
It's very active.
Can I smoke or no?
I mean, it's very active, like as in
Oh, there? Okay.
the atmosphere is active. 10-2, that is a check.
Wow.
And that is going to be my very first straight flush. So thank you in advance for that.
Oh boy.
Then
And it's the
I'm
opposite.
doing what you
It's
want.
the opposite.
Bear queen.
I want
and
that.
then
How many?
jack.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Straight.
5, 6.
The nine on the end killed me. You needed that 9.
Oh, guys, you lucky.
All right, so we're already doing one hand. We're gonna double the bet to 50. I seem to do better with one hand.
Yes, I did, sir.
So
Thank you.
let's see what we can do here. Check,
Yeah.
check. One more king. Okay. Should be good here.
Told this boy.
Yep.
I
We're
tell
good.
you what, though.
Okay.
I was walking with this shirt.
$75.
Oh, I
Profit.
was walking
Nice.
back from the island, okay? And today, an hour ago. Yeah. So I was walking back and I asked the guy, I said, hey, look, I'd trade shirts with you because I'd give him my shirt. Like I asked your boss if I could trade coats with him or whatever.
That is a fold. We'll just
He
fold that up.
says, no, you can't.
Yeah, fold.
He gave me his shirt right off his back. And I gave him my shirt off my back. And he gave me this one.
Just enough.
I was just walking up back to the ship for being on the beach. Because I'm a Polish guy. Ukraine too. You know, I don't like. I got a big mouth, brother. I just
The nines.
I don't like people hurting other people
All right.
for no reason. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let me do this.
You
Two.
milked me for the max.
I don't know yet till I get my.
All right.
Thank you.
Chasing the loss. Let's go 50 on the trips.
I don't want to hurt nobody. I don't want nobody to
Bought it
hurt
for
me.
1600.
You know what I'm saying?
So our dealer, one of our dealers who dealt the Dream 21, like Spanish 21, Diana, she's actually standing there at the Dream 21 table. This is a totally different day. But Diana, I just want to tell you, people really love the game. They have not played it, and they really love the game. When you go look at the comments, people are like, yeah, they love it. So, yeah, I mean, we kind of accidentally played it yesterday.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we sat down and I was like, okay, we're going to play this game. But they,
You're in trouble.
wow, another fold. Yeah. So,
right,
yeah, they're
I
loving the
think,
game. I mean, I played it off camera too. I loved it.
Lucky.
I played it all night, yeah. I ended up losing off camera too, so.
You,
Yeah, I need some more green, please.
Polish, instead of John, it's called Yashu. Yashu means John. Okay, like, Yashu means John. Okay, Mexican, wine, yes. But Yashu is Polish for John. Yashu. Yeah, okay. One more time, then I gotta go. Oh yeah.
Another 9, another Dolly Parton. 2-6, check. Let's gamble. We'll gamble the flush draw.
No.
Got it. That's 7, ace. That's a fold, right? Yeah. Yeah. Nice gamble on the flush draw.
It's my day. My
That's a
lucky
straight.
day.
Luckily, I got the flush. So like the video if you like this, and make sure you follow or subscribe to the channel because we do new videos every single day. Every single day we bring you a brand new video. And I couldn't do this without you, so thank you for watching. Good to go, yeah. Right on.
I fold.
$79. Yeah. All right, we caught a 9. King 3, dealer qualifies. So we made $35.
Tell me, you got me?
All right, we'll go up to 50.
Not
A
bad.
couple ones in a row there. Bought in for 1,600, and we're somewhere around
I'm proud of my
8 or 900 right now. So we need to win a couple of these 4Xs with this bet size. 10-7 check. How about a flush? How about
I
not?
don't know. What do I do?
That's a fold. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try again.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. There you go. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
All right.
I'll be back. But
Big.
you're still gonna teach me
That's a
when I
check.
come
That's a
back.
check. Yeah. Okay. 100 behind. 2 pair.
Good night.
Yeah.
Where do I go over there?
Good. No flush. So this is shipped, the MSC Meraviglia, in 2023. Going to be leaving from New York City. And we left from Orlando with this cruise, but pretty soon it's going to be heading up to New York, and you can go to New England, you can go to Canada, you can go to Florida, you can go
Hey,
to
brother, how you doing?
where else?
I'll be back.
Bahamas.
How you doing, man?
Did I say Bermuda? But anyway, just some really awesome itineraries that range from 5 days all the way up to 21 days. So if you want a little vacation, a short one, you can do that. If you want to go for 3 weeks, you can spend 3 weeks on this awesome ship. So anyway, yeah, so if you want to just check the link below for the free cruise from urcomp.com. And if you are a casino player, you are more than likely going to qualify for a free one. And if you have any questions or problems with that, you can always just leave a comment and voice your concern, your comments, your questions. I'll help you out. I read every comment. Straight draw. There it is. There it is. Great. So one of the questions I get asked all the time, and I'm not just saying that, like a lot of these other influencers say, somebody asked me, or I get this question asked all the time. No, really, people ask me, they go, do you live on a cruise ship? Do you live on the cruise ship? Because they see videos every day of me playing. So the answer to that, the short answer is no. I cruise once a month though. It's a fold. I cruise once a month, anywhere between 4 days and 8 days. And we shoot the content during the week. Pairs of 5s. I shoot a lot of episodes over the course of the week, and we shoot enough for the entire month. Check. Fold. So MSC is pretty much, they're based out of Europe, and they really, really do well at Italian food on this ship. It's almost like you're eating in Italy. So if you love pizza and you don't want to go to like Rome and get your pizza, you take a cruise with MSC. Some of the best pizza that you've ever had in your life. Check. Wrong suit. Jack 4, I gotta fold. Yeah. There's 4 hearts up there. Yeah, flush. Flush, yeah. This is not going well. We're gonna play 2 hands. Probably should have done that a couple hands ago. 7/10, check. And a ace 4 is a 4X. There we go. And we got a straight on the flop. And we're gonna check this one, yeah. 3, 4, 5, 7, 10. No, that's a fold, yeah. Okay, well we got the straight, nice. 2 hands, you would have had the straight, so that was great. Perfect. Still collecting the tabs for my dad from Pop Tops for the Ronald McDonald House. He is close to 1 million tabs. All right. Great. That's a nice little payout there on the troops. Yeah. Okay. Good to go. Good to go. King Deuce offsuit is a check, and that is definitely a 4X. Even with this card removal, it's suited. I have no chance. Oh, I'm gonna play it. I mean, for sure. Okay. Wow. Oh yeah, it's a lucky straight. Yeah. One more hand. Max it out. One more hand. Come on. Come on. Come on. Straight. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm still looking for a 3 or an 8. I fold. Ugh. I don't know. We'll just. We're gonna. It's probably last hand, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. See what happens. All right. Yeah. So 200 behind. That's it, yeah. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay. All right, so we get a little money back, but we have 125. Oh, I had trips. I had trips. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. All right, so we have 100, 200, 225, 235, 237.50. Pretty big L there, but we got we're doing good. Overall, we're fine. We're fine at this stage. Appreciate you watching MSC MERAVIGLIA, and we'll be back tomorrow with another brand new video. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you then.